Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to do kind of like a small GoPro review, I guess you call it. And I thought, what better place in our area is Fort Pickens. This has got some dark settings and some light settings, and I'm doing this on just pretty much GoPro out of the box. I did bump up the quality settings just to, why not? But I didn't go all the way. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go around here. I've done a video here at Pickens before, but I figured, like I said, what's a better place to do a GoPro lighting setting, and then later on after this I might go out to the beach, and it's just a little windy today, maybe I can see what the wind's like. And but yeah, this video that you see right here is what we normally record on, which is our Samsung Android phone, and this is the GoPro. We are going to go in here and walk around Fort Pickens, and I'll probably do this video as like a more of a montage settings, and we'll go in here, go to the beach, and see how this thing does. Hey guys, so we got to see the GoPro in a dark environment and a light environment. I've heard some people say a cloudier environment's better, some people say sunnier environment's better. I don't know. I'm more professional. I just see what to see, knew what to do, and still learning this thing. But overall, I think the GoPro turned out really good. I think it's a fantastic camera. We plan to do more videos and learn more settings and really get in depth. Yeah, if you like the video, please subscribe and hit like and give me a thumbs up. Bye.